Hello students. So today's topic is bases, and so bases is either a metallic oxide or a metallic hydroxide or aqueous ammonia, which react with hydronium ions of an acid to form salt and water only. So basically the bases are those substances which have hydroxide, metallic hydroxide, okay, or they can react with the hydronium ion to form salt and water. They are bases. So for example, like some bases are FeO, FeOH whole thrice, or CuO, MgOH whole twice, AlOH whole thrice. So these are the bases. Whenever they react with any acid, they will form a salt and water. This reaction is very well known. This is a neutralization reaction. So whenever the base react with acids, they will give neutralization reaction. So some bases are the basic oxides. For example, like PbO2. So whenever they will exist as basic oxides, they that means they have O2 ions, O2 negative ions. Okay, O2 negative ions. So if they have O2 negative ion, they will also act as the bases. Some bases have OH, so these are called the basic hydroxides. For example, some basic hydroxides are like NaOH or AlOH whole thrice. So these are basic hydroxides. Basically, the basic hydroxides which contain OH negative ion, they are called basic hydroxides. Third type is the alkalis. So alkalis are the an alkali is a basic hydroxide which when dissolved in water produces hydroxyl ion. So whenever they dissolve in water, they will produce OH negative ion. They are called alkalis. For example, like NaOH. When NaOH dissolved in aqueous solution, it will produce Na positive and OH negative ion. So whenever any basic hydroxide dissolve in water, it will produce if it will produce OH negative ion, it is known as the alkalis. For example, like NaOH, KOH, CaOH whole twice, NH4OH. These all are the alkalis. Now, classification of the bases on the basis of their strength. So, on the basis of the strength, there are two types of bases. So first one is a strong base. So it undergoes almost complete ionization in aqueous solution and to produce higher concentration of OH negative ion. So like NaOH and KOH. So these are the strong bases which can ionize completely. Next one is a weak base. Weak bases are those bases which do not ionize completely, or we can say they ionize partially in aqueous solution or partially produce OH negative concentration. So for example, like CaOH whole twice, NH4OH, CaOH whole twice. Okay, so whenever they ionize in aqueous solution, they just produce the low concentration of OH negative ion. Now the classification of bases on the basis of their acidity. So we already know the acidity or basicity. So we discussed the basicity of the acids. Now here we are discussing the acidity of the bases. That means how many number of how many OH ions will produced by the bases. So on the basis of the number of OH negative ion, the acidity of base we can classify. So So first one is monoacetic base. So monoacetic bases are actually those bases which can produce only one OH negative ion per molecule of base in aqueous solution. They are called monoacidic base. For example, like NaOH. So when it will ionize in aqueous solution, it will produce only one OH negative ion in aqueous solution. Second is diacidic base. So diacidic base are those bases which can produce only two OH negative ions in aqueous solution. They are called the diacidic base. For example, like CaOH whole twice can produce two OH negative ion in aqueous solution. Last one is the third one is a triacidic base that can be easily classified that they will produce three OH negative ion produced by the one molecule of a base. For example, like AlOH whole thrice or FeOH whole thrice. Okay.